How to fast forward video part in Capcut PC. First, open Capcut and import your video. Drag into the timeline. Sometimes you might have to fast forward a specific segment. In that case, select the desired portion on the timeline. Once you have made your selection, decide the starting point for the speed increase. For example, select a specific moment and then tap split at the top left corner above the timeline. Next, determining the point where the speed increase should end. Select it and again hit split. Now go to the top right corner. Click on the speed tab. Here you'll find a slider that will allow you to adjust the speed up or down. For example, let's set it into 5 times from the normal speed. When you play it back, you'll notice the speed increase at the designated parts of a video. So that's how you can fast forward video part in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.